Right now, I'm about to let you know what you need to know. Because even a fool can graduate from school. And a lot of people think that it's cool. But what you don't realize is that when you go to school, they're just creating a tool. And if they make me a tool, then I only have utility until they want to get rid of me. So, what you got to understand is that when you're on this land, you have to create a plan. If you want to be a man, and not just a fan. Because if you work for another man, he tells you to kick a can, then it's going to ruin all of your plans. But for real though, formal education will make you a living, but self-education will make you a fortune. That's why you have to educate yourself and seek out the knowledge that is pertinent to your success. Whatever you want to do with your life, you have to become an expert in research. That means search again until you have a complete understanding of whatever industry you choose to pursue. You only have to solve one problem. You got to understand that you get paid in direct proportion to the problem that you solve. So if you want to get a job and work as an employee, you got to understand that you are going to be a salary slave, and salaries get taxed at the highest rate. That's not something that they're going to tell you in school because they want you to feel like it's cool when you get a degree, because that document costs you more than it's going to make you. In order to become a doctor or a lawyer, it's going to put you 6 figures in debt. And it's going to take you several years before you're able to land a job that pays you 6 figures. And even then, you're not making 6 figures because you're placed in a much higher tax bracket. So the more you make, the more you pay in taxes. And that's why you have to educate yourself, because there's other successful people that have figured the game out, because that's all we're playing. We're playing a game. And once you learn to master the game and be strategic, then the game becomes enjoyable because you're living life on your terms. You're not working for someone else. You're not working for a salary. You're leveraging resources and acquiring assets. So you're getting paid just for being alive. You get paid in your sleep. You get paid while you're awake. You get paid when you're at the beach. You get paid when you're watching a movie. You get paid because of the investments that you've made. But when you're just working a job, you're getting played, because job stands for just over broke. And I know it ain't trending no more, but stay woke, because a lot of people are living their life like it's a joke. They don't have any financial literacy and they don't understand compound interest, and that's why they're stuck on Pinterest rather than creating a network that will increase their net worth so that they can have multiple streams of income. And you have to understand that you have to graduate towards that level. First, you focus on one thing, and that one thing will blossom into something much larger, and it will generate consistent revenue. And with the proceeds, you'll use those funds in order to acquire assets. And that's what creates the multiple streams of income. And with the cash flow from those income producing assets, you'll invest those funds in vehicles that compound over time. That way, your money is working for you. So even in your old age, when you reach that final stage, there's still money coming in from the plays that you made multiple decades ago. Whoa. One thing for sure, don't let that money go. Make sure you put it in a place where you know it's going to grow. But like I was saying, don't be a fool and think that just graduating from school is cool, because you got to provide for your family. And at the end of the day, we need more productivity so that we can create prosperity. And the world is in the palm of your hands. So what's your plan? Anyways, It's about that time. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you're notified every time I make a new post. Until next time.